Umaga po.
Mahirap ang buhay niya. Ang kita namin, wala pang 3 isang araw. Isa pa sa amin.
Paano po kayo nakakatipid niyan?
Hati-hati lang po kami ng pagkain. Ang alam ko nilalakad lang. O sumasabay sa kaibigan niya pagpasok ng eskwelahan.
It is a heartbreaking irony that in the heart of our agricultural lands, the very hands that till the soil are the ones clutching empty stomachs.
Ayun gamit mo sa klase niyo?
Opo, grade 7 ko pa po yung tagamit.
If the farmers vanish, who will be left to feed the nation?
Poverty in the fields is often blamed on the lack of rain or the surge of typhoons. But today, there's a new wall standing between our farmers and a better life. While the rest of the world moves toward precision agriculture, our farmers are left behind, armed only with tools from century ago. At the center of this movement is the VIDA, or Barangay-Based Digital Agriculture Hub. The logic is simple, yet revolutionary. If an individual farmer can afford a drone or a soil sensor, the community provides the access. Think of it as a community tech center in the heart of every barangay.
But BIDA is more than just a warehouse for technology. It's a sanctuary for digital literacy. Here, the veteran farmer learns to read real-time data and soil health indicators. It ensures that every seed planted isn't just a gamble against nature, but a calculated step toward harvest. By merging wisdom of traditional farming with the precision of modern technology, the BIDA serves as the heartbeat of our fields.
Hindi na madalas sumasakit likod ko dahil may nahiraman na kami gamit para sa pamimina. Mas madami na bebenta namin. Salamat sa inyo. Maaari mapag-aral ko na siya hanggang kolehiyo.
Hindi na po. May signal na po dito sa baryo namin.